Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about SAP EMIS, which is a new capability from SAP on SAP Integration Suite. So what is SAP EMIS? EMIS stands for Enterprise Messaging Integration Service. So when somebody says SAP EMIS, you always have to remember loose coupling, business event, asynchronous communication, scalability, and reliability, and business events. So these are the terms that you need to remember when you work with SAP EMIS. In this video, I'm going to briefly talk about what is SAP EMIS, what are the key capabilities of SAP EMIS, what are the core components of SAP EMIS, and what are some of the scenarios and other aspects of EMIS. So without further delay, let's begin. So let's explore SAP EMIS, which stands for Enterprise Messaging Integration Service. SAP EMIS is an essential capability within SAP Integration Suite, designed to enable event-driven communication across diverse applications and systems. Okay, so event-driven communication. Its primary purpose is to simplify exchange of business events asynchronously, allowing systems to communicate in real time while remaining loosely coupled. This ensures flexibility and scalability in complex enterprises. So there is a difference between loose coupling and tight coupling. The loosely coupled systems are more scalable and flexible. So you need to remember that. SAP EMIS supports modern enterprise integrations by enabling seamless connectivity between SAP solutions like S/4HANA, SAP SuccessFactors, and other non-SAP applications. It is a critical tool for organizations adopting event-driven architecture. So when events are triggered, you should do something. So for such kind of event-driven architectures, these solutions help to build resilient, scalable, and future-ready systems that respond to events as they happen in systems. Now let's explore the key features of SAP EMIS. What makes it a vital component for modern integration scenarios? Okay. First, EMIS is built to support event-driven architectures. In short term, it's called EDA, enabling synchronous communication between applications. So when you say asynchronous communication, which means systems can share updates or events in real time without being directly connected. So creating more flexible and responsive integrations. So when you build integrations, you always have to build asynchronous communications which are reliable and scalable. Okay. The second aspect is it offers seamless integrations with S4 solutions like S/4HANA, SAP SuccessFactors, and other SAP cloud services, as well as non-SAP applications, ensuring a wide range of connectivity options. When it comes to protocol support, EMIS currently uses AMQP as a secure and reliable messaging protocol. In the near future, SAP promised it will expand the support for REST gateway and MQTT, basically further enhancing its compatibility with diverse systems and use cases. So you need to check the SAP documentation for the latest updates on the protocol support. So right now it is supporting AMQP. Okay. EMIS also shines in terms of scalability and flexibility, supporting real-time message processing that can scale to meet the demands of the modern enterprises. Whether you are handling few events or thousands of events, so basically based on the volume demand, it can scale automatically. So that is the main advantage of EMIS. Finally, it adheres to cloud event standards. So basically it supports cloud event standards, which ensures interoperability across different platforms and systems. Okay. So by following the cloud events specifications, SAP EMIS helps maintain consistency and compatibility in the event-driven architecture. So to enable the event-driven communication. So as I said, event-driven architecture, event-driven communication, business events, protocols, these are the things that you need to remember when you work with the SAP EMIS. Okay, tell me which protocol now EMIS supports at the moment. It supports AMQP. Okay. So let's take a closer look at the key components of EMIS and how they work together to enable event-driven communication. So first, we have something called producers. So these are the applications or systems that generate events such as S/4HANA, SAP SuccessFactors, or it can be a custom-built CAP applications. So basically what producer does is producers sends events to EMIS for further processing and distribution. Okay, so we have producers. The next are event consumers. So consumers are systems or applications that receive and process these events. So somebody sends it, somebody consumes it. Okay, consumers can include an integration flow. For example, it can be an integration flow in the integration suite, or it can be a third-party application, or it can be any custom applications, okay, that listens to these events. So we covered producers and we have consumers. So basically at the heart of EMS, we have something called queues and topics. Okay, so they are the runtime aspects of EMS, the queues and topics. So queues, basically they act as temporary storage, handling events until they're consumed. So basically they act as temporary storage until some application gets consumed. Okay. Then we have topics. So basically topics, on the other hand, are used to organize and route events based on specific patterns or subscriptions. Okay. So we covered producers, consumer, queues, and topics. Then finally we have something called event mesh. So this is actually the backbone of EMIS. So what event meshes does is it manages the distribution of events across systems, enabling reliable and real-time delivery. So it takes care of delivery of the events, it takes care of the routing of the events and so on. The event mesh enables scalable and decoupled communication, making it easier to integrate complex systems seamlessly. Okay, so these are the main components of SAP EMIS. So now, we have we covered consumers, we have covered producers, topics, queues, and event mesh. So these are the key components of SAP EMIS. Let's look at how EMIS can be applied in real-world integration scenarios, showcasing its capabilities and power. First, let's take an example. For example, in S/4HANA with EMIS, we can imagine a scenario like you created a business partner in S/4HANA and you want to send this to the downstream applications. So by using this EMIS integration, S/4HANA can send an event to EMIS, then EMIS can route the event to the downstream applications by using its queues and topics. Okay, basically this ensures real-time updates to all the connected applications which are downstream. The next scenario is by using CAP applications, custom-built applications using SAP Cloud Application Programming model. For example, they call it as CAP these days. So these custom applications can publish or subscribe to SAP EMIS events. So this enables seamless integration and event-driven processing within your business ecosystem. For third-party applications, EMIS supported standard messaging protocols like AMQP as we discussed. So which makes it easy to integrate external applications or devices regardless of the platform, because AMQP is very popular protocol that we use for loose coupling and reliable integrations. So you can use same protocol for integrating non-SAP applications. Finally, with SAP Integration Suite, so you can create integration flows that consumes events from EMIS queues and process them and route them to other systems. They can be an SAP application or it can be a non-SAP application. So we can use Integration Suite to process all the events from the EMIS system. So these are some of the real-time scenarios using SAP applications, CAP applications, or Integration Suite itself, or in other custom applications. So these scenarios highlight how EMIS enable flexible, scalable, and real-time event-driven scenarios across a wide range of ecosystems or wide range of applications. Getting started with SAP EMIS in SAP Integration Suite is straightforward. Begin by enabling manage business events capability in your BTP cockpit. Next, assign the necessary roles such as event mesh admin or event mesh developer to the relevant users. Okay. So once the capability is active, configure service instances and create topic subscriptions to define how events are routed. Then set up queues for temporary event storage, ensuring basically reliable message handling. So finally, you can use integration flows in SAP Integration Suite or custom applications to consume messages from queues, basically unlocking the full potential of event-driven integrations. So these are the steps you need to follow to enable EMIS Integration Suite. Let's talk about the key benefits of SAP EMIS, Enterprise Messaging Integration Service. It enables real-time communication between the systems, as we discussed, ensuring events are processed and shared instantly across your enterprise. So this is one of the key benefits. Okay. By decoupling producers and consumers, EMIS simplifies integrations, making it easier to adapt and scale as your business evolves or grows. It enhances flexibility and supports a wide range of use cases for small applications to large scale systems, basically. So you can use combination of small applications and large applications. Okay. Additionally, EMIS reduces complexity by leveraging standard protocols and tools, and it also enables event-driven architectures to small scales to large enterprises. So this is one of the key benefits of using EMIS system. In summary, SAP EMIS Enterprise Messaging Integration Service is a powerful tool for enabling event-driven architectures. It provides flexibility and efficiency needed for building modern integrations. Okay. Its ability to decouple applications, handle real-time communication asynchronously, helps to scale and build flexible integrations in your organizations. Okay. This is one of the key features. By simplifying complex integrations and enhancing agility, EMIS helps organizations respond quickly to change and innovate faster. So in the description, I have provided some of the key links that will help you to understand more in depth about EMIS, EDA, and which are from SAP official documentation. Go through the documentation to learn more about EMIS integrations. Okay, this is it about SAP EMIS. Hope you learned something new. And if you have any experience with SAP EMIS, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any questions or any help with implementing EMIS in SAP Integration Suite, join my Discord, where we will discuss all the technical aspects and implementation aspects of SAP EMIS. And if you like the video, always consider giving a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching.